ASUS Vivobook 15. Turn everyday tasks into something special with Vivobook 15, your essential tool for getting things done easier, anywhere. It's completely user-friendly too, with its 180 degrees lay-flat hinge and physical webcam shield. ASUS Antimicrobial Guard Plus protects frequently touched surfaces from harmful bacteria, safeguarding your health. Make all your days more enjoyable with Vivobook 15. Performance. With Vivobook 15, you're always ready to take on any everyday task, whether it's work, play or entertainment. Whatever you need to achieve, there's always plenty of computing power on tap with up to the 13th Gen Intel Core i3 processor, 8GB of fast memory, 512GB of speedy SSD storage and comprehensive range of wireless connectivity up to Wi-Fi 6E7 allows you to load online content in the blink of an eye. Vivobook 15 has a lid with a special raised logo tag, and it's available in your choice of 3 eye-catching colors: charming quiet blue, cool silver, or cozy terracotta. Just pick your favorite. It's slim enough to pop unobtrusively into any backpack, and light enough for easy one-handed carrying. Wide open for sharing, Vivobook 15 features a precision-engineered, lay-flat hinge that makes it easy to share content with others, or collaborate with a group of people around a table. Intel UHD graphics. Vivobook 15 delivers beautifully clear visuals with its 3-sided slim bezel nano edge display. The wide viewing angles maintain great quality even for off-center viewing, and the TÜV Rheinland Eye Care certification ensures low blue light levels that reduce the risk of eye strain during long viewing sessions. Connectivity. Perfect in every detail, Vivobook 15 keeps you fully connected with its comprehensive I/O ports. There are 1 USB 3.2 Type-C Gen 1 port, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A Gen 1 ports, a USB 2.0 port, HDMI output and an audio combo jack, so it's easy to connect all your existing peripherals, displays and projectors. ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, comfortable typing experience. The optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Experience the ErgoSense keyboard and you'll soon find yourself cruising effortlessly through your work. Full-sized keyboard 19.05mm. Dished keycap 0.2mm. Long key travel 1.4mm. 0.1mm keycap relief. Unlock in one touch with the optional fingerprint sensor 5 in the touchpad and Windows Hello. Physical webcam privacy shield. Battery. Vivobook 15 supports fast charging, which allows you to charge a low battery to 60% in as little as 49 minutes free, so you can be up and running quicker than ever.